In this video, I will show you how to enhance image quality with AI. So to do this, I use this tool right here called Upskill.media. Now, in order to use this tool, you don't even need to have an account, and you also don't need to pay anything, so it's completely free. Now here you can kind of see that work. So you have a low quality product picture and then a high quality product picture. Now it doesn't just work with products, and I'll show you an example right now of a lion right here. So this right here is a lion image that I made lower quality, and now here you can see that this is the enhanced quality, and you can upscale up to 4 times, and you can turn on the enhanced quality right here. And what that does, it enhances the image by removing artifacts, balancing sharpness and softness, and preserving the natural aspect. Now the upscale 2 increases the resolution by up to 4 times while retaining the natural image details and without sacrificing quality. So this one right here was pretty low quality, and right here you can kind of see the difference. So the original one is very blurry and the AI upscaled one is very sharp, and it looks a lot better. So here you can see the difference very clearly when you look at these hairs, but if you look at the eyes, for example, right here, you can still see it, and the image is just way better quality, and it's just enhanced compared to the original one. Now this feature is mainly meant for product pictures like you see right here, and as you can see, it helps you leverage AI technology to enhance your image quality, and you can sign up today to avail your first 3 credits. Now I didn't even sign up, and I could also use it, but right here you can see some more examples. So here is a low quality, quite pixelated picture, and then here is a high quality picture without any pixels visible. So that's kind of what this tool does for individuals. Then you have professional right here. So for example, this is kind of a similar example right here, low quality to high quality. And then finally you have e-commerce. So these are product pictures. So let's say you are a dropshipper and you dropship products from AliExpress, but the product pictures are not great. Then you can simply use this tool right here in order to turn it from this into this. So imagine if the pictures aren't even as bad as this, you could easily upscale it or enhance it into a picture like this that is very professional. Now they do have some pricing plans, and the pricing is basically for if you want more credits. So free forever is 3 free credits and 3 free downloads. And for this you just have to sign up for free. Now you have the subscription plan right here, which is most popular, where you can purchase a subscription with a certain amount of credits. So you have 10 credits for $9, you have 100 credits for $19, and 300 credits for $29. And this is when you pay monthly. When you pay yearly, it's even cheaper. So you could pay as little as 7 cents per upskill credit. Now you can also do pay as you go if you need more than the original 3 right here. So you could, for example, buy 30 credits for a one-time purchase of $19. So you don't have to pay a subscription, you can also just pay for it once. Now you can also use the 3 free credits if that's enough for you. So for example, if you are launching a store and you need your pictures upscale and you need to have your product pictures enhanced, then you can just buy one-time credits right here. But if you need the credits every single month, if you have an agency or whatever you need them for, then you could purchase the subscription plan right here. So the features of this tool include to increase the resolution up to 4 times. So you can see the original image here, then you have an upscale zoom and a bicubic zoom right here. And typically if you wish to increase the resolution of a low quality image, you will just end up with a bigger low quality image. And that is also what I have found when I used different similar tools. So instead, Upskill.media's AI technology maintains natural image details without losing the quality. Quite unbelievable if you ask them. Now I'm not sponsored or affiliated with Upskill Media. I've just tried all of these tools, and in my opinion this one is the best. So it also helps you remove JPEG artifacts. So for example, so when you edit and save a JPEG image multiple times, it leads to pixelation and degradation. This process is called artifacting, and it makes images look fuzzy, and they help you remove that. And then they also have the image quality enhancement, which is what I made this video about. So here you have the original image and then the enhanced quality, and you can clearly see that it is higher quality. So as you can see, you can use it for e-commerce, for print media, for real estate, and there is a bunch more use cases that you can use it for. So you can simply try it for free, Upskill.media. So that's how to enhance the quality of your images with AI. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.